Goblin Hood by Sue Fleiss, illustrated by Piper Thibodeau. In the forest of Scarewood, where gremlins made sweets, a creature named Goblin Hood guarded their treats. They worked all year long, one big candy-making machine, to make scrumptious sweets for the next Halloween. One Halloween Eve, when the candy was done and the gremlins were wrapping up every last one, a witch who loved candy was soaring nearby and decided she'd steal all their candy and fly. She swooped in and cast a dark spell on the wood, turning the gremlins against Goblin Hood. Under her curse, they were forced to obey. As they stacked all the candy, she took it away. No candy was spared. That mean witch took it all. Marshmallows, truffles, the big and the small, the toffees and candy bars, brittles and pops, the licorice, gummies, and lemony drops. She bagged up the treats from the factory broom. You gremlins will load it all on my broom. Goblin Hood knew that he had to act fast to take back the treats before Halloween passed. He worked out a plan where he would not be seen. He'd fight off the witch and he'd save Halloween. Using the candy he'd stashed in his pack, he climbed up the walls and he snuck in the back. He lassoed the witch with his licorice strands. We're done with your curses and evil demands. Stretching some taffy, he bound up her feet and glued her with bubble gum right to her seat. I'm taking your wand and you're going away, but please, begged the witch, all I want is to stay. I just wanted sweets from now on. I'll be good. I'll never again cast a spell on this wood. You'll have to make up for the things you did wrong and help make the Halloween treats all year long. So Goblin Hood gave her a job in the shop to carefully push a stick in each pop. Meanwhile, the young trick-or-treaters had come, hoping for jelly beans, chocolate, and gum. With plenty of candy and no more to fear, the gremlins of Scarewood all let out a cheer. The spell has been broken and everything's right. Our great Goblin Hood was saved Halloween night. Then Goblin Hood answered, but when this night ends, what matters the most is that we have our friends. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe for more daily stories.